So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in activation settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, there's a few things that we can try. So first, you want to click on change. You want to type in your product key again, because maybe you typed it in wrong last time. So just type it in again, and then click on next, see if that works. If you're still getting an error, then you want to click on cancel. Next, you want to click on troubleshoot. And now once this loads up, if it detects any problems, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. You could also contact support to get help. And maybe your key is actually not genuine, it's not legit. So you can go to the store and then purchase a genuine copy. Also, if you changed hardware on your device recently, then you want to click on this option and then follow through the steps. For the last method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in somgr.vbs space -reom and then click on enter. Now you want to click on OK, and now you want to restart your computer. Hopefully this will not fix your problem.